Welcome to episode 145 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at a bearish continuation trade setup. This is a bearish flag setup where we're looking for price to continue in the direction of the previous trend. So let's go take a look at the charts and see what this type of a trade setup looks like, how to enter this trade, and where to place our stop loss and where to exit the trade with a profit.
We're looking at how to trade a trending market. This is Aussie Swiss franc 1 hour chart. As we can see here, overall trend is to the downside, then price pulls back into this previous support and resistance level and then drops from there. So once we see this first leg of the down move here, continuation of this previous trend, now we want to look for a continuation of this move. So how do we decide where to get in? One of the things we can do is draw our fibs. So we pull using our Fibonacci tool here, we draw our fibs. So when we have a trending move, when we have a strong trend, so generally price will pull back into either 23.6% or 38.2% Fibonacci level here. So in this case, when we draw our tool here, we see that price reacts at this 38.2% Fibonacci level, and then the next day it comes and gives us this little pin bar right at this 38.2 level, and we can see price does not hold above this level. Once we see this candle close, we can enter our trade, and we want to go in the same direction as this previous move, which is to the downside. So we will take a short entry here, and our stop goes above this previous swing highs. So we want to make sure the stop is behind this level so that price doesn't come and take us out, just in case it decides to test this level once again. So we enter the trade short and we stay with our trend for as long as we see that the price is moving lower. So in this case, we can see most of the candles to the downside are red candles. They are strong candles compared to green candles that are very, very small. And also, if you take a look at our volume here, we can see as price is coming down, our red volume is increasing, and the green candles that we have are neutral volume, so we do not see much of buying volume, and we are seeing our red volume go up. So as we continue on, we see that the price doesn't really pull back, so we trail our stop behind these levels here, and we continue on with the trade, just trailing our stop behind, and till we get to this level here where we see that the volume starts to change and price starts to pull back, and now we see a lot more green candles compared to the red candles that we had been seeing, which shows us that momentum is now shifting. So we will exit our trade at the close of this green candle here, and from entry to exit we get 175 pips in the trade. So just to recap, we are looking for a continuation of this first leg that we have. We have a down move here, so now we're looking for a continuation, and we're looking to get into a trend. So the best way to do that is use our Fibonacci tool to draw these fib levels, and as we can see, price comes and reacts and it holds below this 38.2 Fibonacci level. Generally, when the trend is strong, we see retracements up to 23.6 or 38.2 retracement level. So once this happens, once we get this nice little pin bar close here, we can enter our trade short. Stop would go behind this previous high here, and we stay with the trade, trailing our stop for as long as price continues to move lower, and we can see that the volume supports that. Once we start to see our red volume decrease and we see green volume kick in, plus we see these big green candles, it's time to exit the trade. So from entry to exit here, we get 175 pips in the trade. So our profit is 175 pips or $1,750 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well as share this with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.